Hi, this is Helen Fischel, Delaware Center for Horticulture. Welcome to today's Story in the Garden. Today's book is Bugs That Go Bump in the Night. It's a spooky pop-up book by David Carter. Oh my goodness. This is the haunted house bug. Enter if you dare. Ghost bugs and goblin bugs are waiting for you there. Who's that sailing through the sky? Bugs on broomsticks flying high. Open the coffin if you dare to see who may be sleeping there. It's a Draco bug, so do beware. It looks a little like a bat to me. What's making that scary sound? A skeleton bug is rattling around. Mix skin and bones, a screw or two, add wings and eyes, and then some glue. And you end up with it's a Frankenbug who's looking for you. It's a colorful Frankenbug. Who casts a light on this dark night? A bug-o-lantern burning bright. Inside's a surprise just made for you. It says keep out. And now you can look like a bug too. Make yourself a mask today and go out into the garden and look for signs of insects. Insects that can help your garden and some that might turn into butterflies or moths. Have a great day. Special shout out to Kyla, Gabe, and Viv today. Bye.